Hello, welcome to Storytime with Leslie. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm Leslie and we're the Doucettes. And as you know, we have an eBay business. And so we wanted to share with you something that really helped us when we really wasn't doing anything with eBay. We decided one day that maybe we need to make sure that everything we have in our inventory is actually listed on eBay. And shockingly enough, a lot of it was not. A lot of times we get used to like posting on eBay, you just keep posting and you kind of just set it and forget it. So what we're going to do today, like we did a few months ago, we're going to go through some of our inventory, make sure it's actually in eBay, just checking out our inventory. And so follow us along the way today. Okay, so we arranged my seating so I can sit closer to Jody. And so I'm in the eBay Seller Hub under Listings. Right after Manage After Listings, I am going to go to make sure it says Item Title, then Contains, and then where it says Enter Value is where I'm entering something about the product that Jody's going to mention. So I'm ready to go, Jody, whenever you...
Okay, we start with this. It's a Michael Kors, looks like snakeskin purse.
I'm pretty sure that's in there, so yes, it's in there.
All right. There might be some items that you may not want to. This is a sauna suit.
So I typed it in. It's not listed.
Okay, is this something we want to sell?
I don't know.
It sounded good when we bought it, but it's been a. We'll put this here.
Yeah.
Put this.
And it might be a giveaway. We need to look up some comps on it.
Yeah, it might be a giveaway or something.
And figure out if we want to relist it or not. So.
Or to donate. Spanky bobblehead.
We've had a lot of views on it, like 1,600 views on this thing. So somebody's looking it up.
Yes. What do we have?
So weird. $10.
$10.
I think I started a little bit higher and went down to $10, but
This is a prime example of there's a lot of listings, but there's only 4 results of sold items. So there's 26 listed, and they've only had 4 sold. So that is your selling rate, your through rate, or whatever. So that's really not good. So that would not be something that if I found in the thrift store, I would have not picked it up.
Don't buy a Spanky bobblehead.
But like anything else, we've learned.
Well, you know, that was when we first started out. We thought, oh, this is so unique.
As a prime example of something so unique. So I have a Final Four championship ticket with a lanyard that I found.
It's not listed.
How about this purse?
Yes, what's the name brand of that? Vera Bradley.
Vera Bradley purse.
It is listed.
It is listed. Okay. This is a We Love the 90s box game.
Like a trivia game?
Looks like a trivia is taped up.
It's not on here. It's not listed.
I don't like it.
Play it ourselves.
Yeah.
We love the 90s.
There's actually about to do a We Love that 90s show. It's a
instead of that 70s show, it's that 90s show.
I'm
I saw
anxious
that.
to see what that is. Okay, this is Wannabe.
Yes. What size is this one?
This is a size.
Yes, I have it.
You have it.
Very good.
This is a nice shirt.
I bought that probably about 4 years ago, and I sell like 2 a year. I bought it like a bulk amount, like so many smalls, mediums, larges, and I sell about 2 a year. Never again.
The limited, size small. It's a red.
No.
No.
So red, let me just put in red and see if it comes up. So no, that's not in here. It's the brand.
Is this a Holding Horses?
Holding Horses. No, it's not in there.
So this is a cool shirt.
Red Hot Chili Peppers.
Red Hot Chili Peppers. It is a printed
It was
tag.
mine. It was my shirt.
Oh, it's yours? Okay, so it's not like a concert shirt or anything like that. I think it was just something. Where'd you purchase it at? Just
possibly on eBay.
So that's funny. So is it on there?
It's on here.
Okay, good. So we have a Minnie Mouse women's shirt. So some of these are like just unique. If you find something unique, even though it may not be
I have it.
a brand.
And sometimes Disney stuff could sell.
Disney stuff sells pretty good.
Yeah. But, you know, I've been having that for a while. Nobody else bought it. So.
Yeah. That's one thing I guess is good about going through inventory every 6 months or even a year, is to go back and see, like, you're holding on to things that you don't need to be holding on to. So either you can reduce the price and get rid of it. You can take the listing off and just donate it, just get it out, because the more clutter you have, the less space you have for new stuff. So
I think that's exactly right. Like, we're looking at this and we're like, why do we still have this in our inventory? Like, purge, get rid of some stuff, bring it back to Goodwill, whatever we think.
Yeah. We haven't probably done this section. It's been over a year easy, probably close to 2 years, I feel like. And that's why I'm looking at this stuff and it's like, this is new. This is new to me, at least. Not with the old. All right, how about a Superman?
I love this Superman shirt. Why is it not sold yet? I don't know. The thing is, and it's not on here. Wait, no, I spelled it wrong. Yeah, I have it.
Yeah.
So I found a shirt just like this at a resale shop, and I bought it for myself because I wanted it. I don't know, it looks so awesome. So then I found another one in a size small at a different resale shop. I said, I have to have this.
Yeah.
But nobody else loves it as much as I do, evidently. But
I feel like my head is getting cut off here. That's better. An LSU shirt.
No, this is Disney, I think. Oh, it is LSU.
It's LSU Women's Antigua is the brand.
Yep, I got it.
You got it? Okay. You could probably adjust prices as you go, or you could just adjust price at the end. I'd suggest as you go. Makes it easier. It's a thumper. It's a Disney. Yeah, Disney, and it's got thumper on it.
Oh, it's not on here.
That's crazy.
Isn't it the cutest shirt?
It is. So right now, I think it's like 50% of the stuff that we have in this so far is not even listed. Sometimes I feel like we're bad examples of what eBay sellers should be. This is a White House Black Market. It's very nice.
It's not on here.
Well, I think this is one of the items that we haven't listed that probably will sell. That and maybe the thumper.
Yeah.
Those are 2 items. The other ones,
I really like
the other
that.
ones I don't think are gonna.
Actually, I think that Holding Horses shirt is a brand that people like. It's like a cowboyish.
Okay. Ralph Lauren is a long
It's like
shirt.
a sleep shirt is what it is.
Oh, so like a sleep shirt. Ralph Lauren.
And it is listed.
It is listed, okay. Sometimes when she says it's listed, it's like, well, then why didn't it sell?
Yeah.
I'd rather it be not listed and have at least a reason why it didn't sell other than...
Well, I think what I could do on some of these things is go in and adjust the price, or just make some changes to the pictures if I notice that there's some pictures and they're too dark, or maybe I can zoom in, brighten them up. Doing those things can activate those listings to where they might come up sooner in someone's search. And so as we're doing this, I could do those things also. But I think I might do them after they're in that pile. I could go back and actually look at the pictures and update them.
Now this is American Eagle Outfitters. I feel like items that you can find in the mall aren't like the biggest sellers on eBay anymore. Like
right.
a few years back, you could sell a lot of these things. You're not gonna make a ton of money on them, but like they're gonna have a good sell rate.
Yeah, it is listed.
It's listed.
I think a reason I bought that one is because like neon I was trying to look for trendy things.
Okay, here is a loft.
Yes.
Got it. What are you asking for that?
This is probably too much.
Also, when you're updating your inventory, that's also telling eBay, the algorithm, that you're being active again. And you may even notice, like sometimes when we would just add a few items, that we would get more sales, just because it's showing that your store is active.
And then I always do a best offer. That's just what I do on all of my listings. But also under best offer, you could put automatically decline offers lower than. And so I always do that. So if I put in a certain amount here, then I know that anytime I'm actually getting an offer from someone, like I receive that offer on my phone or an alert, then I know it falls into that category of offers that I would probably go ahead and accept. So the automatically decline offers lower than, then I don't even receive them. But if I get an offer, I accept almost every single offer I get. And I usually make those offers you know, like I'd accept $5 less, or depending on the item, whatever it is. And so,
Do you do like a percentage of what you think it'll sell for? Like if it's 10% less than that, automatically?
yeah, I guess something like that. As we've gone through several of these, we've decided we don't even want these items in our inventory anymore, so we're just going to donate. So we have a donate pile, a relist pile. So I'm glad we're doing this.
Pro tip, do not use these plastic bags anymore. We found one of these items that was very nice. I opened it up and it smelled like it, no, not this, but it smelled like a resale store. Like it smelled bad. It smelled
like old smell.
So that lets me know that it's been sitting in there for probably over a year, and it never was able to breathe. And you don't want a customer to be able to open it up and be like,
yeah, I totally agree.
So
Bob Marley.
Yeah, Bob Marley shirt. It's a kid's shirt.
I have it listed. Yes.
Okay. Man, it looks so tiny. I don't know.
It is little.
Yeah, it's just a basic.
But that's a nice shirt, isn't it?
It's a nice shirt, but like
it's like no flaws.
It's so basic. I guarantee you, this is one of the first items we ever got. You might not even be able to get.
It's not on here.
Your $3 back on that. Just the basic horse. You need like something super unique for that to be to keep it. It's a cool little boombox shirt with a
unicorn.
Like how random is this?
I just thought it was so 80s.
Yeah.
Didn't I just buy something 80s the other day? I guess I'm drawn to things that are 80s.
This is a boombox shirt. You do have it listed.
Yes.
And the last one is a pink women's shirt. Yeah.
It's not listed. It's not listed.
It's not listed.
No, I know that. I remember taking pictures of it too.
People, and golf equipment, golf apparel is expensive. Yeah, it is. So if you can get it on eBay, and the quality's, I mean, you know, why spend 90% more for the same item? You know, you can get a cool shirt.
No, we got to put that over here.
Oh yeah. So this is a cool Disney shirt. It's got everybody on it. All the cool kids.
Yes, it is listed.
It is listed. Okay.
That's wrinkled.
Yeah. Michael Kors, which is a nice brand, but to me, I think it's oversaturated.
It's not listed. But it's a nice green color, so let's go ahead. I'll relist it. I need to iron it.
Or steam it, something. Because that's a very thin material.
So really, like the results of that one thing there, I'd say 30% of it, we said, bring to a donation place. We're getting rid of it. I think the rest of what was left in there, half of it wasn't listed, half of it was. So I have a little pile that I need to relist. So that was just one plastic container that we went through and really purged inventory, made changes to it, things like that, and realized that some things weren't even on eBay. Also, like what Jody said, going in here and updating my listings, like lowering the price, I feel like that definitely need to be done for some of these things. Yeah. I was asking just too much for this.
I'll say the exciting thing to do with this whole reselling is you're looking for treasures. Like the shopping is the most exciting. Like this is the most boring part. And maybe this video is boring because of it, but it's like it's the most boring part. The photos, the listing. But so like when you're first starting out, you're looking for things that you think are like very expensive. Like when we first started out, we looked for Under Armour, we looked for Ralph Lauren, Polo, anything. The Gap is not a good example, but like anything that we thought was in trend when we were in school or in trend, you know, expensive items. It didn't take long for us to realize that they're not. Yeah. You know, there's nothing really unique about just a solid green shirt with a Ralph Lauren logo. You know, there's nothing. So you have to look at more unique items. That's the stuff that sells.
So I want to stop right here. Stop right here. Get this stuff taken pictures of and posted before we start doing more.
Okay.
Okay, so there's some pictures that I always take for each item. Of course, I have this mannequin that I put it on, and so I always take pictures of the front, the back. I do a close-up. With the mannequin, I can turn it to the side. I can get a side view. And then later, I lay it down. I take a picture of the tag of the washing instructions or what material this item is made out of. And then I also take measurements of most items, the chest across, the length from the shoulder to the hem. And if it's a dress, I would take a measurement of from armpit to armpit and then the waist measurement. So that's what we're going to do on this item right here. I'm going to take those specific pictures and then I'll be ready to post onto eBay. So besides the mannequin, I have these lights that really help me to make good posts, and so we will link that video down below what I did a previous video. But anyways, we're going to say that's the end of today's video today. I hope you found some value in it. If you do have the eBay store, maybe think about going through your items, going through your inventory. Not just to make sure they're on eBay, but make sure, is this the price you want to sell it at? Do I really want to sell this anymore? Or how can I update the listing? And so going through your inventory is a great idea, and we definitely recommend doing that because it really, really helped our store. Thank you for listening today. Thanks for tuning in to our channel, and we will see you in the next video.